Nestled along the shores of Lake Geneva and surrounded by the stunning backdrop of the Alps, Geneva stands as a cosmopolitan city that seamlessly combines natural beauty, cultural richness, and international diplomacy. Renowned for its global significance and picturesque charm, Geneva offers a blend of historical landmarks, dynamic cultural institutions, and serene lakeside vistas. The Jet d'eau, a colossal water fountain shooting high into the air on the shores of Lake Geneva, is an iconic symbol of the city. Strolling along the Promenade du Lac, visitors can enjoy leisurely walks, picnics, and panoramic views of the lake and the snow-capped Mont Blanc in the distance. Geneva is home to numerous international organizations, including the United Nations Office and the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. Guided tours of these institutions offer insights into global diplomacy and humanitarian efforts. The Old Town, Vieilleville, boasts cobblestone streets, medieval architecture, and charming squares. The St. Pierre Cathedral, with its archaeological site and panoramic tower views, offers a glimpse into Geneva's history. The flower clock in the Jardin Anglais is a unique attraction that showcases Swiss precision and artistry. Museums abound in Geneva, catering to a wide range of interests. The Museum of Art and History houses an impressive collection of art and artifacts, while the Museum of Natural History features extensive exhibitions on biodiversity and paleontology. Lake Geneva is not only a scenic backdrop but also a playground for water activities such as boating, sailing, and paddle boarding. The Parc des Bastions offers a relaxing escape with its giant chessboards, tree-lined pathways, and the Reformation Wall, commemorating Geneva's role in the Protestant Reformation. Geneva's culinary scene reflects its international character, with a diverse array of restaurants offering cuisine from around the world. Local Swiss specialties like fondue and raclette can be savored in cozy eateries. The lively Rue du Rhône is a shopping haven, boasting luxury boutiques and international brands. Geneva's strategic location provides easy access to the nearby Alps for skiing and hiking adventures. The annual Geneva International Motor Show and other cultural events add vibrancy to the city's calendar. Accommodations in Geneva cater to various preferences, ranging from luxury hotels along the lakeside to charming boutique lodgings in the Old Town. A visit to Geneva invites you to embrace a world of diplomacy, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring historical landmarks, soaking in lakeside tranquility, or indulging in culinary delights, a journey to Geneva promises an enriching experience that captures the city's global significance and its enchanting blend of urban sophistication and natural elegance, leaving an indelible mark on all who explore its captivating embrace.